Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Sanding Drum Kit is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a weekend DIY enthusiast, this kit will help you achieve smooth, professional-looking results on all your projects. From shaping curves to smoothing edges, the Sanding Drum Kit offers an efficient and effective way to refine your work. Number 5. Coceca 458 PCS Sanding Drums Kit. Introducing the Coceca Sanding Drums Kit, a comprehensive set for all your sanding needs. This kit includes everything you need to get started on your next project. It's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. The kit comes with a whopping 458 pieces of rotary sanding bands. This ensures you have plenty of replacements and options for various projects. They are designed to provide smooth and efficient sanding. With 6 different grits, from 80 to 600, this kit handles a wide range of materials. Whether it's wood, metal, or plastic, it can tackle it all. This versatility makes it suitable for various applications. The sanding sleeves come in 3 different sizes, 1 4-inch, 3 8-inch, and 1 2-inch. This variety allows you to work on different shapes and sizes. This ensures you have the right tool for the job. This kit is perfect for nut carving, metal, wood, plastic, and more. It's also great for jade, circuit boards, and other DIY projects. This makes it a versatile addition to any toolbox. Simply slide the sanding drums onto the drum sander and tighten. Then, you're ready to start your project. It's designed for ease of use, so you can get to work quickly. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of grits, allowing you to tackle various projects. It also comes in multiple sizes, so you'll have the right fit for the job. If you're working on DIY projects involving different materials like wood, metal, or plastic, this versatile kit is a great choice for you. What people say. The mandrels fit and work well with the Dremel 4300 with flex shaft, which is what I have. The mandrels that came with this set all fit into both collet types that I have, and the sanding drums themselves are of decent quality. For every 10 drums in the pack, there were only 1 or 2 with defects. Number 4. DS 164 Sanding Drum Kit. This kit is perfect for your drill press or power drill. It comes with everything you need to get started on your sanding projects. It's a great addition to any workshop. The kit includes 4 different sized sanding drums. They measure from 1/2 by 1/2 inch to 1/2 by 2 inch. This variety allows you to tackle different projects with ease. You'll also receive 16 pieces of sandpaper. There are 2 80 grit and 2 120 grit sanding sleeves for each drum size. This ensures you have the right grit for the job. This kit is designed to work with your WEN drill press or 20V Max lithium-ion power drill. The shanks fit in the majority of drill presses and power drill chucks. It's easy to set up and use. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this kit is a versatile sanding solution. It's perfect for shaping, smoothing, and finishing a variety of materials. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for WEN drill presses and power drills, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. It includes multiple sizes to handle different sanding needs. If you own WEN tools and want a reliable sanding solution, this kit is a perfect match for your needs. What people say. The sanding drums are made from durable yet flexible rubber, providing a solid base for the sanding sleeves. The sleeves themselves are impressively tough and built to last. I also appreciate the variety of sizes included, allowing for versatility across different projects. Number 3. Line 1016 PK Sanding Drum and Sleeve Set. This extra-long sanding drum set quickly turns your drill or drill press into a mini spindle sander. Each drum is mounted on a 1 4-inch shank, making it an ideal drill sanding attachment for woodworking projects. It's perfect for smoothing rough edges, contours, and curves. This barrel-shaped attachment is great for round-profile sanding tasks, ideal for various wood surfaces. This 2-inch long drum sanding kit makes it easy to sand and smooth the inside surfaces of drilled holes. It offers precision sanding on a small budget and fits both electric and cordless drills, as well as drill presses. Remove and clean up saw marks from the jigsaw, bandsaw, or hole saw cuts. It's great for smoothing curved edges when using it with your drill press or die grinder. The kit includes 4 rubber sanding drums and 12 sanding sleeves in various grits. This complete sanding drum kit is compatible with drills, drill presses, and die grinders, making it an essential addition to your sanding tools. What we like. This set features extra-long sanding drums, perfect for reaching deeper into your projects. It's ideal for smoothing curves and contours. If you like to work on woodworking projects with curved edges and need a versatile tool that fits your drill or drill press, this is the one for you. What people say. They fit perfectly, were easy to install and uninstall the rolls. I used these on white oak making duck decoy, and they were great. This will certainly fit in any drill or drill press, though its small size will make it hard to use in a handheld drill. Number 2. AUSTOR 252 pieces sanding drum kit. This kit includes 240 sanding sleeves in 3 sizes and 12 drum mandrels. It's a comprehensive set designed for various sanding tasks. This kit is perfect for your projects. The sanding bands come in 1 2, 3 8, and 1 4 inch diameters, with 80 pieces of each size. The drum mandrels also come in the same 3 sizes, with 4 pieces each. This variety ensures you have the right tool for the job. These 120 grit sanding bands are perfect for smoothing surfaces and curved edges. They work well on both soft and hard materials, making it ideal for home improvement and woodworking projects. You can achieve a professional finish with ease. The drum mandrels feature a self-expanding rubber cushion for a secure fit. This design ensures the sanding bands stay firmly in place during use, providing better finishing results. Make sure the drum is screwed tightly for optimal performance. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris. Remember that the sanding drum will wear down faster on metal surfaces. Replace the sleeves promptly to maintain the best sanding effect. The kit includes a free plastic box for easy storage and access. This helps keep all the components organized and readily available for your next project. It's a convenient addition to this comprehensive kit. What we like. This kit provides a variety of sanding band sizes to meet your different needs. It's easy to install, ensuring a secure fit for efficient sanding. If you need a complete sanding solution with convenient storage, this kit is a great choice for you. What people say. These are a must-have for anyone who has a hobby and they require to sand anything down. We are using them with sanding 3D prints, and these just make the process go by so much faster. The base fits almost any Dremel or handheld rotary tool. They are easy to install and require little to no tools. The kit came with 4 each of 1 4, 3 8, and 1 2 inch mandrels, which was excellent. They fitted me Dremel perfectly, and the sanding drum performed well even on GRP. Number 1. Bighorn 19521 Rubber Sanding Drum Set. Introducing the Bighorn 19521, a comprehensive sanding drum set. This set includes a variety of sizes, perfect for various projects. These rubber cushion drums are self-expanding, ensuring a secure fit. The friction fit design means no adhesive is needed, making it easy to use. The kit comes with cloth-backed, all-resin bond abrasive bands. You'll get both fine and coarse sets, providing flexibility for different sanding needs. This sanding drum set is designed for use with portable electric drills, flexible shafts, and drill presses. It's a versatile addition to your tool collection. The kit includes 4 expanding drums in various sizes, along with multiple sets of sleeves. A convenient carrying case is also included for easy storage and transport. It features a 1x1/8 and 3x1/4 shank size. This set is ready to tackle a wide range of sanding tasks. What we like. The rubber cushion drums and self-expanding design ensure a secure and reliable fit. The friction fit design means no adhesive is needed. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-use sanding solution, this kit will be a great addition to your toolbox. What people say. Drum expands evenly, so the cut is of even diameter across the whole length. This kit is fantastic if you don't have a spindle sander. Put it on your drill press, set it to a high RPM, move the table to the side, and go to town. Especially the larger drums are remarkably effective. Instead I bought this inexpensive set, chucked up the appropriate size into my drill press, and finished off a guitar body with nice crisp lines and angles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.